is we have a scheduled phone call. Now, don't they have choices again that aren't your choices? Are you in control of their choice? No. So they can either show and pick up the phone, or they can no show, or they can reschedule. Gosh darn it, people, this is the only three things they can do. And it doesn't matter what they do, you have a thing that you do next. Okay? So now let me give you a brief training here on benefit of the doubt. We like to make stories. They didn't show up. That means they're unreliable. They're horrible. They hate me. They didn't want to do it. Guys, there's life going on out there for all kinds of people.